Welcome to the Center Franklin Foot Care. Today, I'm demonstrating soft wave therapy, an innovative treatment designed to reduce pain and promote healing. Frequently asked questions about soft wave therapy. 1. Is soft wave therapy painful? Most patients describe it as mild and tolerable, with many experiencing immediate relief from pain. Question number 2. How quickly can you see results? After just a few sessions, many patients report significant improvements, with the best results often seen in a series of treatments. Soft wave therapy treats a variety of conditions, including tendinitis, heel pain, and muscle pain, providing a non-invasive alternative to surgery. Schedule online today.
Do you suffer from numbness, burning, or tingling in your feet? Peripheral neuropathy can make even the simplest tasks painful. Introducing Nerve Reverse, a natural supplement designed to support nerve health and improve those frustrating symptoms with just 2 capsules per day. With Nerve Reverse, you can reduce discomfort and regain your freedom. Plus, we offer a 100% money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. Nerve Reverse, for healthier nerves, happier you.